Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going into a new product from Klein Tools, that being their electrician's knife. They do have multiple different knives available, but this is their newly released one. I will have it linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. But we're going to go over the specs, features, pricing, all of that. If you guys have any questions on this, please let me know down in the comments. But let's go ahead and get into it. So this does have a stainless steel frame on the inside. You do have a textured plastic scale on the outside. Kind of see the texturing there, so you get a lot of grip. It does have a deep carry pocket clip, but it is not reversible. You do have a button lock over here for the bit driver on the back, so you couldn't really put it on this side if you wanted to. It is a crossbar lock design. You also have a wire stripper here, and that is going to be good for 12 and 14 gauge solid wire and 14 and 16 gauge stranded wire. We have a little bit of stranded wire here. I'll just show you. Kind of shove it down in there. You can rotate it if you want, but honestly I haven't had any issues just pulling, and it strips nice and cleanly. So pretty impressive with that little wire stripper in there. Most multi-tools, I don't use the wire strippers because I don't find them to be very user-friendly or practical, but this one actually works really well. Before we look at the knife portion, we're going to go over the bit driver. So you do have a button lock here that keeps it locked in place. You can push the button, it is spring loaded, and then you can pull it out. It locks at the 90 degree and the 180, so I do like that it's not just kind of a slip joint. So I like that it physically locks in place. Very little movement there. It feels very solid. You can see the spring on the outside. You have the ball detent right there in the corner, and it grips the bit extremely well. The bit is included with the drive, with the bit is included with the knife. You do have a dual-sided bit, which is a Phillips number 2 and a 1/4 inch slotted, and then you can use this as a 1/4 inch nut driver. Snaps into place really nicely. You don't got to worry about the bit coming out of there. Do I have any bits in front of me? Maybe. We'll just try a random bit. Holds that nicely as well. It can be used with most of your 1-inch bits. So that is a really nice additional feature. And then the other additional feature besides the knife itself is the bottle opener here at the front edge or above the pivot. So after you're done working, you can enjoy a fresh one. Here you can see you have a thumb hole. This hole here located on the top of the blade is for bending wire. Now obviously this is stranded, which you would normally use this a lot for solid wire, but you can toss it in here and bend wire. As far as the closed length, you're looking at 4.6 inches. The open length, you're looking at 7.4 inches. It is a sheep's foot style blade. Unknown blade steel, I tried to find that, couldn't find any of the details, and it doesn't actually state on the blade. There you can see Klein Tools. On the back side, you can see the part number, MO3, and some safety logos, but I'm not exactly sure what the blade steel is, but I can say it comes sharpened really nicely, and I've had this for about a week and it's held up well. Nothing extremely heavy duty as far as use or anything like that, but it has held up well. Only time will tell. And without knowing the blade steel, it does state that it's going to be super easy to sharpen. You won't know that until you actually go to sharpen it. Without knowing the blade steel, it's kind of hard to tell how long the blade is going to hold that edge or not, but so far so good. I can do an updated video on this in the future if you guys would like, or if I learn the blade steel, I'll throw it in here. The other nice thing is you have tons of jimping. So you have jimping down here along the bottom. That bottle opener is also kind of the area for your sharpening choil. You have jimping up here along the top of the frame and moving into the blade, so you can kind of choke up on it and still get a nice good grip on there with that jimping. It's kind of an overall look at it. I like the sheep's foot style blade. It's one of my favorite blades. It's a very useful blade shape for a lot of occupations. There is very minimal blade play. There is a little bit, but that should be able to be adjusted out of it by the pivot point. And operation, I mean, operates nicely. Nothing like super amazing, but haven't had any issues with the operation. That crossbar lock works really well. You can use the thumb hole just to do your standard rollout. Works just fine. Lockup is nice and solid. You kind of have a plastic liner here between the frame as well for rigidity and support for the cutter and all of that. Overall, really impressive straight out of the package. Once again, been using it for a week, haven't sharpened it or anything like that. But pretty impressive, especially at the price point of $25. So for $25, I will say it's impressive. No, it's not the highest quality knife. No, it's far from the worst. I think the only downside being a little bit of blade play, but like I said, that can be probably worked out of it just by adjusting the pivot point. Overall, I think it's got a lot of really nice, useful features, and it's a good design. Once again, I think the only downside, some people may find that it's not a utility knife. It's not a one that you can swap the blade on, but I think there's still going to be plenty of people that are interested in this, and I think they did a good job on it. So let me know your guys' thoughts. I will have it linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. But that is a look at the new Klein Tools Electricians Knife. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up, and if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. See you guys next time.